G'day viewer, Big Kev here on the V-Strom, and I'm doing a 3x3 challenge. I got nominated by Just Tex. Yeah, let's go down here for a look. By Just Tex, and my understanding is you got to tell 3 things about yourself that no one else knows, and nominate 3 other people to do likewise. That's a good excuse to get out on a bike anyway. So 3 things that you don't know about me. Well, I'm a boring person, so not much. In 1996, I was the New South Wales state champion at pistol shooting. Believe it or not, black powder pistol it was, which is rather cool. 25 metre. I think I'll whack a picture up of the trophy. I've got it here somewhere. And I also represented New South Wales at national level. I shot in the team event with New South Wales against the rest of Australia, and the whole team, we won that as well, and I got a gold medal for that. What's the other thing? What else don't you know about me? I know my middle name. My middle name is Charles. Yeah, Chucky boy. That's what you get for having pommy parents, I suppose. Yeah, so that's my my middle name is Charles. So that's 2 things. Now, what's the 3rd thing? I know. I'll show you in a sec. And the 3rd thing I've got is a drone. Yeah, I've got a DJI Spark, and I've got it following me at the moment. I don't know how fast you can go. This is all new to me. Yeah, so that's the other thing you didn't know about me, that I own a drone. Oh, and it lost me. Oh well, I'm still experimenting with it to follow. But yeah, I've got a drone. Bit of a hazy old day today. So I'll see if it'll pick me up again. Oh well, I'll run back to it in a second. I'll bring it on over. Really great on this. It even gives you a warning when you get too close. So have a look at this footage I shot over at Tantankara last weekend. I better send it back a bit, otherwise it'll keep beeping at me. Yeah, so the footage, I put it to music. Go check this. So check this out. Last 3 minutes, I think it is. So I've got to nominate 3 people. So I'll nominate Bandit Nev. Now I don't know if you've done it before, so please I apologise. I don't know, has Captain Cranky done it? Mr. Adventure? If they haven't, I'm nominating them anyway. But if not, anyway guys, just go out and do it. And then nominate 3 guys that you think can do it. Anyway, catch us all a bit later. Oh, I've got a low battery warning.